guys, it's Christina Connolly here with another tech tip for you today. Today we've arrived at the end of the template and tutorial mania contest. Thank you so much to everybody who submitted a template or tutorial to the district shared resources. We are really building a wonderful shared resource where you can find lots of technology tips and tricks. So just as a reminder, back on the City of Burlington homepage, under the Technology Coach website here, you will be able to find a link to the district shared technology resource. This is where you can visit either the tutorial collection or the template collection, and you can submit your own technology tip here as well. Now I'm going to go over to a website called classtools.net so we can use the random name picker to select our top 3 winners. That's right, 3 winners today will get a Teachers Pay Teachers gift card and a copy of the HyperDocs Handbook. But before we do that, take a look at this website and all the different really cool tools that you can use in your teaching. This site includes games, puzzles, and other templates that make your lessons a little bit more engaging for your students. Okay, back to the random name picker. This is really easy to use. Once I open the tool, all I need to do is click Edit Names and delete the preset names and replace them with my own. I have our contest entrance right here on this tab, so I'm going to just quickly grab these and copy to paste them into the random name picker. And now that I have everybody loaded, let's see who our 3 winners will be. Number 3, this person will win a $5 Teachers Pay Teachers gift card and a copy of the HyperDocs Handbook. Let's see who it is. Congratulations, Cassandra Etok. You are our 3rd place winner. All right, let's keep on going. Congratulations, Diana. You are 2nd place winner with a $10 Teachers Pay Teachers gift card and a copy of the HyperDocs Handbook. Let's keep on going for our number 1 winner for today, and this person gets a $20 Teachers Pay Teachers gift card and a copy of the HyperDocs Handbook. Congratulations, Marissa Manzano. You are our top winner today. If you were called as a winner, then keep an eye on your email and I'll be in touch with you shortly to let you know how you will get your prize. Thank you again to everybody who participated and keep up the good work. You guys are doing an amazing job sharing the wonderful resources that you've created or you're using in your class. Thanks and have a great day.